Excuse me. Okay, so what do we got here? Let's go to the end. Oh, return to the stars. Let's see what we get here. Play some music. Hidden by current filters. Oh, there we go. Back to the space trader. Oh, of course, yeah. Oh, I guess I need, hold on. I am actually waiting for Walmart over here, so we're gonna go here. Here, creator dashboard. You're live. Congratulations. Oh, just Covino gave me a shout out. Bro, I'm gonna go thank him real quick. Real quick.
Okay, I know what happened there. That was good. I know exactly what happened there. So WASD, what it's doing is it's adding. Is it possible that you're fooling yourself into making it feel better? I don't know if fooling myself is the word. It's more so I'm taking into account that players are going to press WASD for the air control while they're grappling. And I know this is a player-to-player thing.
Oh, Tobugas is on. Cool.
I know not every player plays with WASD and pressing it all the time, because I've had the two instances that I've had, the two different instances I've had, are some players, depending on what games they've played in the past, some players will naturally hold WASD while they're grappling. Other players will naturally release the WASD, which I think is really interesting because it's two completely different things that we would have to do.
To make sure that we're still, okay.
I don't think there's a way to implement both. Yeah, I wish that was a respawn effect. Yeah. Hey, thanks for the shout the other day. Of course, Jeff. I don't remember when I did it, but you're welcome. I don't remember. It was probably when you raided, actually. I think you raided the other day. I think so. Yes, it was when you raided, of course. Of course, we always shout out those who raid. But yeah, that's because
Okay. I just wanted to get his feedback. Okay, that's cool. Where did I go now? Where do we go now? Okay, leave the singing to Suno. Jeff, let's just, there you go. What is this one? Oh, cool.
I dust off my old notes, a planet map in the drawer, same one chair by the window, same ache to make more.
Ache to make more. Oh, here we go. Year or two or 10. Back again. Bum 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 Isn't there a way to turn me back? Oh, it's restreamed there. Okay. Reach for the air. There you go, chat. Bum 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 bum. Ba, 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 ba. It's just going to be all about music. It's so cool. Oh, that was the first prompt.
Now comes rushing back fast. I can feel that first
wonder. Excuse me. How much? Oh. Bum, 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 me back. Bum, 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 me back. Still belong out there. There. Subsystems Rising. What a name for a song. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. So I think it's going to recommend a global, always-on UI called the Debug UI. It's been bugging me about this for a while now. And I already have a tutorial, so that'll go along with that. That's my name. Let's go to this one. No, add it to the queue. So I'll hear that song next. Okay, that's cool. I'm such an old person. Getting used to the song queues and all that. Call me back. Bum, bum, bum. Can we also... Oh, nice. Okay. My mouse's scroll wheel is... It's kind of busted, so... I ordered a new mouse. It's on the way. See the scroll wheel? Yeah. In fact, I can look at Walmart. Wait, where's this one? Is it on the way yet? Refresh. No, they're still preparing my order. Son of a bean-dip. Can I put chat? There we go. Like that. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, that works.
I clear the dust off the frame. One wire, one light, one name. Page by page, I found the pulse. Back from the edge, back to the source. Bit by bit, it started to
Bum, 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 bum. Steady, new blood through. In the dark line. Waking up in time.
come alive. We survive. Brick by brick, I'm making mine.
Feel that fire turn in time. Five. Ba-da. Cool. Okay. So here we go. You already chose this, the right call. The step gives you a single place to control transitions. Clean backbone for every mode, a perfect history. Yeah, okay. A way to eliminate main includes piece by piece. That's what we want to do. So game state machine is our first priority. Game state.h enum. Okay, game state, previous state, update states with removal state changes. Unlocks everything else. Okay, global debug overlay. Build the global debug UI while you finalize the state machine. Okay. Did I grab a water? Wait, where's my cursor taking me here? I don't know. Build a global debug UI where you finalize the state machine. This gives you most specific debug windows, a single place to visualize variables, a tool to guide every future subsystem extraction. Yeah, that's good. Debug overlay, show debug, promote selection, section, space, planet, trading, crafting, warp. Yeah, okay. Extract scenes into classes. Once the state machine is clean, scenes become easy. Space scene, planet scene, trading scene, crafting scene. Okay. All right. Do we want to listen to? We heard that one. Let's go with this one next. Add to queue. There we go. So can I look at the queue or? Oh, there we go. Next in the queue. Perfect. That's so cool. Camera subsystem extraction. There's a huge chunk of global variables. Okay. Okay. Input subsystem extraction. Render. Okay. This is stuff it was talking about. New tune. Okay. Okay, so excuse me. Okay, so where am I at here? Update with AI help, and we did. Okay. So this is my main right here. Okay, we just have all the includes. This is awesome. And then we have a game object, and we run the game. This is it. Okay, so the game is actually right in here. Space Gems game class 01. Should we open that? All right, hold on. Space. Wait, it's right there. Initialize chat log file, Twitch log file, music, remain global for now. Instantly switch to windowed mode. Okay. Game run. Okay. Excuse me. So delta time, this locks the frame rate right here. Actually, we can put that comment over here. Frame rate. I think it's 60 FPS. But I think there's a way to do that with GLFW now that we know that. Anyways, okay, main includes. This is what we're gonna work on. Did I put it here? No. Well, I put this one in here. STB right. And what was that one? STB right, screenshot setting, flip vertically on right. Okay. All I did was move one STB right function call. Which probably won't mean anything to me later, but whatever. When it speaks my name. Stars call me back. The stars call me back. I'm not done here. Stars call me back. Call me Hopefully that'll make sense. Please advise, with a step-by-step and full functions, classes, files, copy-paste. How's that for prompt engineering, huh? You're asking the right question now. Okay, but exactly how do I do this? I already know, but I just want you to spell it out for me so I don't have to go through all the trouble of looking up everything. Let's make this something you could literally copy-paste and wire in. I'll assume you currently have... Oh. What's the next song? Oh. Can we go down? I think this one's just... It's just instrumental. I'll assume you have a global int game state or enum in main includes 1. Well, you have a copy of main includes 1. Are you telling me you don't know this? It's in main, right? It's right here. Hold on. Yeah, there's so much to extract from this main includes. We're just going to be extracting subsystems the whole time, so, okay. A global int or enum. Okay, a bunch of game state it checks in your main loop. Functions like render title screen, do show space, do show planet, do warp effect. We'll keep all those functions for now. We'll just centralize who calls them. Create gamestate.h, create a new header file gamestate.h. We're going to put the, okay. Title, space, planet, terrain, slider, crafting, trading, warp, exit. Remove the old enum and define for game states from main includes h. It's actually in main, but go ahead. Game.h to own the state. Game.h add the state members and a dispatcher. Forward declaration things you already have. Structure game space gems window, or whatever your window type is. Extern space gems window, space gems 1 is still global for now. Void game runs set state optional. Oh. In game.h, add the state members and a dispatcher. Optional, expose this if other code needs to change the state. Set state. So it's public, okay, private, update state, central, dispatcher. Oh, okay, huh. Alright. Implement game.cpp. In game.cpp, wire up the constructor. Run set state update state. Adjust names to match your actual types and functions. Include whatever you need for the functions. Okay, temporarily until we clean it up. Game state, previous state, okay. Wait, is this, oh, is that the constructor? Is that making a constructor? Don't we already have one? Okay, we should switch to, ah. So here's our constructor.
from squares, you turn them into skies. On my screen, a spark in your hands, it learned to rise. Lines became a
Bum, bum,
forest.
bum, 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 bum.
Every time you reset, opened up the sea. Step by step, we pushed it farther. Step by step, it starts to answer.
Oh, we're gonna take this out of the game class.
We make it shine. You and I,
Okay, let's give it a copy of
the light.
these 3 files here.
Then let it go.
All right, so what are we going into here? To merge. Okay, we don't need all that. We'll give it the current state of main includes. I think it already knows that though. We also want to give it mains. Let's go to this one. Okay, so 2 merge 1. Okay.
Let it grow.
Okay, I think that worked.
From a single trace to a universe in flow.
Okay, computer. Okay.
Let it grow.
Scroll wheel. As soon as I get the Walmart delivery, I'm going to plug in the mouse. This is ridiculous at this point. I don't even know what happened to the mouse. I don't know. Sending the full updated main includes this gives me exactly what I need to give you a precise save calculation for the extract of the game's name. Okay.
You at the terminal glow, I at the edge of the map. We start with a blank little box and a universe
Bum, 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 bum. Create game state .h. Let's just do it step by step as it is telling me. Dun, 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 Let's go Space Trader game state. I don't know. Space Trader game 01.h. I'm going to call it subsystem just because I want to be nerdy and fancy. Playground. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know why I'm not eating. I had ice cream earlier, but. Oh, good. It lets me. Wait. Shoot. Hold on. Excuse me. I'm going to grab some water real quick. Okay, I can smell my neighbors smoking pot. See, are they delivering it yet? They're still preparing it. Okay, every other time they have it ready 40 minutes before and they're going to drive it and have it here. But that's fine. I'm not really in a rush, I guess you could say. Bum, ba, 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 bum. Playground. This becomes the owner of the state machine. Create game.h. What? Playground. Bum 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 bum. Hello, Gordon. How are you? Here. Let's just go into. Open that up. There. Now we have random music from all of my AI that I've made recently. Whoops, we want to go back here. Yeah. Bum, 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 bum.
trader on the midnight run, counting
Oh, that's kind of handy. Okay, good. So if you click the middle mouse button, you can scroll up like that. That is way better. Because my scroll button is... Okay, broken. Wait, what's this?
What is it all for? A heart can drift so far.
Get outside and go live for IRL takeover. That's a good idea. I live on the beach, that would be fun. Bum, ba, bum.
Let it find me.
Bum, 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 bum. You can start streaming IRL right now with just your phone. You can also integrate it with your existing OBS setup if you want overlays, alerts, or multi-streaming. The cleanest way to think about it is you have 3 viable paths depending upon how fancy you want to get. Easiest, stream directly from your phone using a mobile app. This is a grab your phone and go live in 30 seconds method. Best apps, all recommended by Twitch. It's still generating a response. Streamlabs mobile, overlays, alerts, chat, multi-streaming, disconnect protection, super stable multi-platform effects, IRL Pro integrate for IRLs corresponding multiple connections. Moblin, okay, so it sounds like Streamlabs mobile is the best way to go, what this gives you. Go live to Twitch, YouTube instantly, use your phone, camera, and mic. Add overlay, chat, multi-stream, okay. If you want to walk around Ocean Shores, stream your dev process in real life, or just chat with viewers while out and about, this is the simplest. Intermediate phone RTMP, your OBS at home plus users how with your phone sends video. Your home PC receives it, OBS broadcasts it. Apps that support custom RTMP. What's RTMP? Didn't tell me. I need to have a refresher. Why use this? Keep your OBS and keep your losing switches and downsides require stable upload from your phone to your home internet drops, your IRL stream drops. Slight delay between phone and OBS. Advanced. Okay, I can't scroll down. I have to. There we go. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, that. It needs to display like where I click it. That would be great. If you want to walk around town, forest conventions without your stream dying, this is a real IRL streamer setup. What? Oh, I don't need that stuff. IRL streaming's number one problem is connection drops. Bonding solves this by combining multiple data connections. Software bonding. Okay, when to choose this, which path should you pick? But the fastest way to start right now, use Streamlabs mobile. Log into Twitch, YouTube, go ahead live. Okay. Yes, can work with Restream, but how depends on which workflow you want. The key is that Streamlabs Mobile supports custom RTMP, which is exactly what Restream uses for mobile multi-stream setups. Here's the breakdown. Excuse me. Go to your Restream dashboard, copy your RTMP URL stream key, and Streamlabs custom interface both values. Oh, you paste it inside. There you go. Oh, so it will work with Restream. That's cool. You can also on overlay. You can do workflow recommendations. Okay. All right. Dun, 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 dun. On the way. Holy shirt. 28 minutes away. Yes, my order is 28 minutes away. For life. Ba-ba-bum. Ba-ba-ba-bum. Ba-ba-bum. We are king. Okay, we'll see how much we can do in the 28 minutes. It is a 28-minute game dev challenge. Oh, wait, where's my chat? Okay. I didn't miss anything? Good. This becomes you have the same machine. Okay, so, So game state.h, game run, set state. But I already have this computer. I gave you the file. I already have this in Space Gem's game class 01.h. Okay, before we do anything, okay, I got to step 2. In the Space Gems game, let me just copy this. I think my brain's going to remember from one click to the next. In this file, you know, as advanced, quote-unquote, as AI is, the interface is so clunky. This reminds me of like 300 baud starting out with the internet, you know. We are king. Dun, dun. Since you already have a game class in Space Gem's game class 1, we're not going to create a second one. Instead, we're going to upgrade your existing game class into the proper owner of the game state machine. Below is the exact safe copy-paste ready way to integrate the new state system into your existing file structure. I'll show you what to add to Space Gem's game class, what to add to Space Gem's game class. Oh, cbpn.h. Okay, I don't usually use that. What to delete from main includes how to wire your existing functions into the new state machine. This will be clean, minimal, and won't break your current architecture. Create game state.h. Put this in your project root or source folder. Okay. Here, let me get a little bit more used to using this. Put this in your project root or source folder. Okay. Maybe I can go over here. Because then I have a visual, because I know it's right there, right? This replaces your old P state enum. Modify your existing Space Gems class H. Open the file and add these members to your existing game class. Include game state. Oh, okay. So that's just an enum. See, I don't want to do that, but fine, that's fine. I would rather put the enum in my game class. Do not remove anything else from your game class yet. We're layering the state machine on top of what you already have. Add these implementations. Okay, Space Gems class game. Is that another constructor? So are we having 2 constructors? I'm confused. Remove the old global game state from main includes 1. Update your input system to use the new state machine. Update warp and trading transitions. Step 7, your game class now owns the entire state machine. You now have a centralized... Oh, so there wasn't really much to that. All right, I'm going to think about this a little bit longer, and then I will restream. I will stream